The question says if the nitrogen atom has electronic configuration of 1s7, 1s7 is there, it would have energy lower than that of the normal ground state configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Okay, because the electrons would be closer to the nucleus, yet 1s7 is not observed because it violates. Okay, because it violates. Why 1s7 electronic configuration is not observed? The question is there. We have learned s orbital can hold maximum how many electrons? 2 electrons. Maximum 2 electrons. In a subcell, there are various orbitals are there. For example, let's say if I talk about p subcell, in p subcell, okay, in p subcell we have how many orbital? We have 3 orbitals are there. We have px, py and pz is there, and each orbital can hold maximum how many? 2 electron. Okay, and here you can see s orbital is holding how many? 7 electron. Practically it is not possible, first of all. And second part, even if we start filling these 7 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 is there, and then we calculate the total quantum numbers for each spin. Okay, if we calculate the total quantum numbers for each spin, definitely they will be same, because you can see how many spins are upward direction. 1 2 3 4 spins are upward direction and 3 spins are downward direction. Okay, so obviously out of 4 they will be having same quantum numbers. Pauli exclusive principle says that no two electron in an orbital can have all the 4 quantum numbers same. Okay, it is talking about only orbital. In this orbital, both the electrons should not have all the 4 quantum numbers same. Similarly in this orbital also, okay, but you can see if you are having 4 spin going upward direction, 3 spin going downward directions, so obviously these spin will have the same quantum number. Hence it violates Pauli exclusive principle. So option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.